Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola. I create all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and haul videos. If you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave you all the links and handles down below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So today I have a girly haul video. I'm going to be unboxing some PR packages and also share with you what I got for Valentine's. So I'm going to go ahead and start off first with some PR packages. This first one here is from the brand My Ellies, and My Ellies and Oaktolly were super kind to send this out to me as a gift. So this is all skincare items and I am very excited because I love skincare products. When I saw these, I couldn't wait to try them out. So they sent out this one here. It's called the Be Tight Lift and Firm Booty Mask. And it's basically a mask for your booty, and it firms it and it also tightens it, which is very exciting. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. And it's like a mask. It's all like light pink and it smells incredible. It smells super nice and I can't wait to try it out. So I will be doing like updates on my Instagram stories, so make sure to check it out there. But this is what it looks like. And then they also sent out an oil, and this one here is called the Get Cheeky Enriched Cellulite Oil. You can apply this to your thighs, to your booty, wherever you have cellulite, and you just kind of apply it and you massage it with circular motions. And they sent out this adorable heart-shaped brush so that you can massage the area when you apply this oil here. And it is so cute. Like, I can't believe how cute this is. It's shaped as a heart and it's really comfortable too because it has this like little handle so that you can just easily like massage the area. So I am very excited and thrilled to try this out. I'll definitely give you updates on that, but quality on these products, like the packaging is incredible. It's super nice. So the next thing I have is actually from a brand that I have loved and tried for over 5 years now. It is from MadamGlam, and they have the most beautiful nail polishes, like all gel polishes, and they literally have every single shade you can think of. Like, their website has definitely grown and expanded so much. They have so many new products and I am super thrilled. So they were super sweet and they sent out 4 gorgeous shades. I did pick up the shades and I just can't wait to try them out. But look at the packaging, how cute it is. And they even sent out this super cute little mini LED lamp to cure your polishes. Like, this is the most adorable thing ever. It is so compact and so small that you can just literally travel with this anywhere if you need to do your nails, and it comes with its cable. So I am very excited. I might be doing like a tutorial on how I do like my nails at home using their products. Like I said, I have tried them in the past and absolutely love them. So I'll leave you all the links and details to MadamGlam down below, as well as their Instagram handle, so you can check out their beautiful polishes. So last but not least, from these PR packages, I do have 2 perfumes that I got from DOSSIER. These are incredible. If you love perfumes, if you love like those high-end, good quality perfumes, but don't want to spend or break the bank getting those perfumes, definitely try these out. You're not going to be disappointed. They are from the brand DOSSIER, and they are luxury inspired perfumes from your favorite perfume brands. They have literally like all the perfumes you can think of, and I am very impressed with the quality of their packaging. So this is what their packaging looks like. So all their perfumes look like this. Their cap is literally just magnetic. So this one here that I got, it's inspired by the YSL Mont Paris, which I own, and it smells very, very similar I actually like this scent better. It smells a little bit more subtle. Oh, but it smells so sweet and so good. So in here, it does give you like the top notes, who it's inspired by, and all the info. So this here, the top notes is the bergamot, raspberry, pear, and the middle notes is jasmine, orange blossom, and brown sugar. Base notes are patchouli, amber, and vanilla. I must say I am obsessed with this one here. It smells way better than the actual Mont Paris that I have. I don't know, I just love this one here better. It's like more sweeter, and I just love the notes. So this one here is inspired by Gucci Bloom, and I ordered it because I've heard like so many reviews and raves about the actual like Gucci perfume that I wanted to try it out. So this one here, the top notes is green leaves, orange, and honeysuckle. The middle notes are jasmine, sambac, and tuberose. And then the base notes are orris, sandalwood, and vanilla. And this one here smells really nice. I can definitely smell a lot of the floral on this one. It smells incredible. Like, I am obsessed with these perfumes. If you want to get a perfume but not break the budget, definitely try these out. You're not going to be disappointed. I'll leave you all the links and details and the name of the perfumes that I got down below so you guys can order them. So for Valentine's Day, my boyfriend got me this adorable set from Lululemon. He got me these beautiful leggings that I love so much. Love the color. It's so pretty, and they are so comfortable. They are super high-waisted, and they're like the softest material ever. Like so beautiful, and I don't have anything from Lululemon, so I'm very excited with these. He also got me this top to go with it. It is like a cropped top, long sleeve. It is incredibly soft, and I love the print on this. It's like a marbled detail. Super pretty, and it's going to match perfectly with the leggings. Give it like a nice contrasting color. And then he also got me a candle that smells incredible. Like, I don't even want to light it up because it's so beautiful on the inside. It's the Bedrock Tree Farm soy candle with beach rose and fir needles. And this is the inside of it. Look how pretty that is. It smells so incredible. Like, literally like fresh roses with little pine needles. It's so beautiful. Like, I don't want to light it yet. It's just so beautiful. So my sister stopped by and she got me and my daughter a robe. She got us Jeffree Star matching robes. Look how beautiful this is. It is absolutely stunning. It is very soft, and it has like the Jeffree Star logo right here. It is beautiful. These are like super long, by the way. They're not like the regular robes that are like super short. So these are long, which I really love, and they're very warm and cozy. So she got me that, and it's pink, which I absolutely love. So my best friend Janine, who a lot of you probably already know, I talk about her all the time, and she also used to have a YouTube channel, JJ's Pink Secrets. She was super sweet, and she sent out this package for me for Valentine's Day. She's literally like my bestest friend. And I wanted to share with you what she got me, just because everything is packaged like so incredibly cute. So this is what it's inside. She included this like little note here that says Happy Valentine's Day, and look at the inside. Like, so pretty and pink and girly. I love it. This is absolutely adorable. So I did already read the letter just because I wanted to read it and be just more personal, but absolutely love this little card right here. So this is what's inside. There's like so many goodies in there, and I haven't really looked in there. All I did was like read the note, but I wanted to do an unboxing, like a true unboxing of everything that she got me. So I'm gonna first pull out this right here. It looks like it's a garland. This is so beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. I'm gonna have to see where I'm gonna hang this in my bedroom. Probably like up where my mirror is right there, like my floor length mirror. How pretty is this? And then there's also some lashes. These are so pretty. These are the 3D Faux Mink lashes. They look so beautiful. They're handmade and I just love lashes. I wear them like all the time. They just make your makeup just kind of stand out and look incredible. These are so pretty. And then there's also some makeup sponges shaped as hearts. These are super cute, bestie. These are adorable. Perfect for like the under eye and like to apply your concealer. How cute are those? She also put in, oh, this is so adorable. It says hello love and it's like a little decor that you can put in your vanity. This is so beautiful. So also in here there is the cake mask. I love this so much. I don't actually have this one here. It's called the Top Coat High Shine 1 Minute Hair Mask. And actually my bestie is the one that got me hooked on this brand because her hair is like super long and just so beautiful and shiny, and it looks so healthy. And I asked her one day, like, what do you use? Why does your hair look so incredible? So she recommended this brand and I think this is the one that she uses. So I can't wait to try this out. Thank you so much, bestie. You know, I love this brand like because of you. So the next thing in here, it looks like it's a mug. I got it out. It is this beautiful pink mug and it says, work until your signature becomes an autograph. That is so cute. Like, I love this saying. It's so adorable and I love mugs, especially the pink ones. So I'm loving this. Thank you so much, bestie. Also in there is, oh, this is so pretty. I don't have anything from the new Too Faced collection. This is so beautiful. It's the Too Faced Too Femme eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, bestie, you are literally the best. All the shades look incredible. Okay, we have to open this and try it out. This is so pretty. Like, I saw a bunch of people posting pictures on their Instagram and I am dying. Look how pretty this is. It has like butterflies, so girly, so feminine. Oh my goodness. The shades on this are to die for. Incredible colors. Absolutely stunning. This one here looks so pretty. Wow, it's beautiful. It's like a shimmery shadow and it has like a lot of like little particles, but it's beautiful. So pretty. And this one here has like little butterflies on it. Like, I feel bad even like dipping my brush in this. It's just so perfect and beautiful. The colors are absolutely stunning. Like, thank you so much, bestie. You are literally like the best. And then she also got me, ooh, Hangover RX Pillow Balm. This looks incredible. It's ultra hydrating and nourishing lip treatment. What is this? Oh, this is so beautiful. What a pretty packaging. Pillow balm. Oh my goodness, this looks incredible. Especially for like the winter months. Oh, it's very hydrating. I am so excited with this. Like, thank you so much. And then she also put in these cute little candies in there, like pink and red and white. How adorable. Like, I am loving this. So thank you so much, bestie. You're literally like the best. I love you. So those are all the items that I got from like PR packages and then what I got for Valentine's. I really hope you all loved today's video. I love you all so much and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony.